Hey, welcome to the Toadstead. Well, we just got back from a month-long road trip, and we're here in the quite destroyed and messy shop. But I wanted to answer a few questions that I was asked about the building of the shop, mostly about the concrete. Down here, we use a concrete that has fibers built into it, and they form a matrix that pretty much precludes the need for the wire reinforcement in this kind of application. When you have this kind of a building, you couldn't do that if you were building a house or something that was going to have very, very heavy loads on it. For this application, it's fine. As far as the perimeter goes, right here on the edges, the foundation is over a foot thick, for about a foot in. So there is a foundation here. The slab itself is about 5.5 inches thick, give or take. But around the entire perimeter, it's over a foot thick, a foot wide. And that gives us plenty of support for a building like this. Now, people asked about the L bolts. Well, what we used, now I call them Redheads. I'm sure there's some kind of special name for them, but Redhead's the make that I've used in the past. And here you see one here. Basically, all you do is drill down into the concrete about 5 inches, and this expandable bolt is tapped into the hole. And then when you put the nut and washer on and tighten it down, it expands in the concrete, then brings, of course, the sill down and tightens it. And these are on about 6-foot centers all the way around. So I hope that answers some of the questions about the reinforcing wire, because if this was going to be a garage with a lot of heavy stuff in it all the time, or a home, it would have wire in it. But for this application, it's fine. And with 5.5 inches of concrete, I'm not even worried about occasionally pulling a car in here to work. It's not a problem. So if there's any more questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments section. But that's where we are now. Let's see, we got to get back to work here pretty soon and get this thing all enclosed. We've got the rest of the metal to finish it right there, and what's hiding under that metal is the 16-foot by 8-foot door for the front. And then on the other side of these tables, wrapped up in the plastic here, is the steel personnel door that goes in the side. So we're making progress, just real slow. Hopefully kind of surely, more slower than surely, I suppose. But next time you see the shop, it'll at least be all closed in. All right, y'all, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time. Fair winds.